Russia's potential coronavirus vaccine Sputnik V, approved in the country last month, induced an antibody response in all participants with no serious side effects, according to the first peer-reviewed data on studies of the project. The vaccine produced a response in T cells, a type of white blood cells that helps the immune system combat any infection, according to the preliminary results from Phase 1 and Phase 2 trials as published in the Lancet Medical Journal on Friday. Asserting that the situation along the India-China border has been very nasty and the Chinese are going at it much more strongly, US President Donald Trump said, "If we can do anything, we would love to get involved and help, and we are talking to both countries about that," he said. Ministry of Finance has confirmed that the unprecedented contraction in India's GDP growth is higher than its peers, attributing the economic crisis to a stringent lockdown that India enforced in the April to June quarter. The strict lockdown has helped India keep case fatality rate lower than countries like the US, the UK, France, Japan and Italy, the Finance Ministry claimed in its economic review for August. The Finance Ministry further stated that India is witnessing a sharp V-shaped recovery along with the rest of the world. Future Retail posted a consolidated net profit of Rs 11.29 crore in the financial year 2019-20. The company saw its profit decline 98.44% compared to Rs 727.19 crore in the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal. The company behind the Chinese app PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds has said that it will engage with Indian authorities to ensure continued availability of its apps in India. In response to the government's ban on Chinese apps, the gaming and social media group stated that it takes the protection of its users' privacy and data seriously.